What are sexually transmitted diseases and in what way may you catch them? Sexually transmitted diseases are infections transmitted through vaginal, oral, and anal sex. They may cause injuries to the genital organs, but they often damage other organs too. What causes sexually transmitted diseases? The main causes are microbes like bacteria, viruses, protozoa, fungi that pass from a person to another person during sex through infected body fluids such as semen, vaginal fluid, blood, spittle. What are the main sexually transmitted diseases? The main sexually transmitted diseases are syphilis, gonorrhea, lymphogranuloma venereum, soft chancre, specific urethritis, genital herpes, warts, infections caused by candida and trichomoniasis, hepatitis B and C, and AIDS, but also pubic lice and scabies. Pay attention. Sometimes the infected person can transmit the illness to other people, not only through sex, but also in other ways, like direct transmission from mother to child during pregnancy, delivery, or breastfeeding, in case of HIV, hepatitis B, genital herpes, syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, or through blood in some situations like transfusions, contact with injuries, sharing syringes, tattooing, piercing, use of tools that can contain small or invisible quantities of blood, such as scissors, razors, needles used by other people, in case of HIV, hepatitis B and C, or syphilis. Or direct contact of the skin in case of pubic lice and scabies. Or direct contact with objects or linen used by the infected person in case of pubic lice and scabies. Sexually transmitted diseases don't spread through coughing or sneezing. They don't spread on public means of transport, in public places, public toilets, or through usual personal contacts. They are not transmitted by mosquitoes or other animals. AIDS. The most serious sexually transmitted disease is AIDS, which is caused by the HIV or HIV virus. There is no vaccine to prevent the infection from HIV virus, and there is no treatment for HIV infection and AIDS. People with HIV infection can be treated all life long with medicines which keep the infection under control, but they may have negative effects on other organs. Pay attention. Sexually transmitted diseases don't always cause symptoms or may only cause mild symptoms, even after many months. Therefore, it is possible to have an infection and not know it. So, you could transmit the infection when you have sex if you don't use a condom. If these diseases are not diagnosed and treated, they may cause serious health problems such as infertility, that is the serious difficulty or impossibility to have children, both in women and in men, problems during pregnancy, premature delivery, abortion, or the death of the baby, infections to newborns like eye infections or lung infections, cancer like cervical cancer or liver cancer or cancer involving other organs, or serious infections to organs like in the case of AIDS. How can you prevent sexually transmitted diseases? You can prevent these diseases only if you adopt correct behaviors, that is, prevention. Always use a condom when you have sex because it is the most effective way to prevent sexually transmitted diseases. Remember to use the condom immediately when you start having sex. Never share your personal objects, razors, scissors, needles, or toothbrush with other people because they can hide invisible biological fluids. Get vaccines like the papillomavirus or HPV vaccine or the hepatitis B vaccine. If you feel well, but you have doubts, do the HIV test. Avoid any drug or alcohol use as they may encourage dangerous or reckless sex behaviors. Remember that you can ask doctors for help. They respect the professional secrecy. With them, you don't have to be ashamed or worried for being judged. Doctors are there to help you. In Italy, sexually transmitted diseases are socially accepted. They are not a cause of social discrimination.